We are here in Amalfi at the Island Park in Dasmariñas City, Cavite, and we will check a new foreclosed house and lot. This is a corner house spanning over 250 square meters lot area and with a floor area of 179 square meters. So this is below market value at around 7.5 million, and again this is for bidding. If you're going to inquire from the developer or reseller, this kind of property is around 20 million and up. So ang laki po ng price difference. Okay, but this is for bidding. So if you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. So let's go and check this out. Maayos pa siya. Meron siyang small garden, and then yung roofing dito is, ang tawag ba dyan, tegula, which is matibay po talaga yan. Tawagin natin yung caretaker. Car garage niya kasya dito hanggang 2 sasakyan. And then yan, single detached po siya. Tawagin natin. So, tagal na po yung caretaker?
Dito po sa 6-6 na po.
Ito CR niya? Parang powder room. Ayan. Ilang kwarto niya, ate?
Ito po sir.
3. Kitchen. Yung kitchen niya. So maayos pa yung bahay. Well maintained. Service area and maid's room. May sariling CR. Okay. Then may lanay tayo dito. Check natin mamaya sa labas yan. Then isa pa ditong kwarto. Pwedeng gawing small office. Akit ako, ate, ha? Tayo sa taas. Tutulog yung caretaker. May tulo dito, ma'am?
Wala po.
Wala? Okay. Ayan. So parang overlooking dito. Ayan. So, yung first bedroom. Ensuite bathroom. And then second bedroom. Meron din siyang bathroom. And this is the primary or the master's bedroom, with walk-in closet and again ensuite bathroom. So this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment, then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So yan, meron siyang balcony din. Yan. Dito sa second floor. So if you are interested to make an offer or bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So since corner siya, ayan, malaking lote niya. Meron siyang space for small garden or pocket garden. Then ito yung pinakalanay niya. And then yung likod ng property. Ayan. Then, ito yung pabalik ng garage. Ayan. Yeah. So again, if you are interested, sobrang baba na po ng presyo nito. At around 7.5 million. Yung ganitong property, ganitong house model, tapos corner pa. Pag bumili kayo sa developer niyan, is nasa 20 million and up. So, if you are interested, ang deadline po ng bidding is on Monday na, this coming Monday. So, message me directly if you are interested.